Good evening, Mambles. This is my national news report. It's all about government launches nationwide flood control program to reduce disaster risk. Manila, Philippines. The Philippines government officially launches a nationwide flood control program on Monday aimed at reducing the impact of flooding in high-risk areas across the country. According to the Department of Public Works and Highway DPWH, the program will focus on improving drainage drainage system, dredging rivers, and constructing flood barriers in major urban centers and flood-prone provinces. The project is expected to benefit millions of Filipinos, especially those living in low-lying communities. DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonwas stated that the initiative is a part of government's long-term disaster risk reduction plan. Flooding continues to threaten lives, livelihood, and infrastructure. This program is designed to strengthen our resilience against natural disaster, he said. The program has been allocated a budget of 120 billion and will be implemented in phase over the next 5 years. Priority areas include Metro Manila, Central Luzon, and parts of Visayas and Mindanao that experience frequent flooding during the rainy season. Local government units (LGUs) welcomed the project, emphasizing the importance of transparency and proper fund management to avoid delays and corruption. Environment groups also urge authorities to combine infrastructure projects with sustainable solutions such as reforestation and proper waste management. The project emphasizing the importance of the officials' assurance and public that regular monitoring and audits will be conducted to ensure the effective use of public funds. The government encouraged citizens to cooperate by maintaining clean waterways and reporting drainage blockage in their communities. The National Flood Control Program is expected to begin construction in selected areas by the second quarter of the year. That's all. Thank you.